and it said because, and it went into a whole well, I'm having a problem with it. So my wife to this day still laughs about that I can get on anyone's nerve. She has shocked me. So once I realized what my problem was, and I was able to get it to just do the editing, it was fantastic because it will put the punctuation where it goes. It will correct grammar. As long as you don't let it change your story, don't let it change your story. But that